Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from Xaman Wallet. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up your app and then go to your account. Then you will see at the top left a blue button where it says send. So you will click on here. Then I have XRP, so I will select the amount I want to send. Click next, and here we need to enter a name of an address, so I need to find an address. So like that. Now I will hit the next button. Now I need to put in a destination tag. So this tag and this address which we put in, you will get where you want, you will get this information where you want to transfer your XRP or your crypto. So that means that in your other apps, so as you can see on the screen, mine is crypto.com, you will need to hit the deposit button and then select crypto, which currency, and then you will see there the address and then the this destination tag, and this is what you need to copy right in this app right here. And now, as you can see, we have here at the bottom network fee and service fee, so it's really low. Slide now to send, like that. Double check destination tag, looks good, and then just confirm with your fingerprints or whatever you are using. Wait a little bit here, and we have sent successfully 5 XRPs to our account, and that's basically how you can do that. So as you can see, we now have just 11 XRP currencies crypto in here. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.